Again, hi, good morning, everyone. So this is the nutritional guidelines for Filipinos. So we're gonna be talking first about what we have discussed earlier. So what we have discussed earlier is about the games, katong mga games nga atong gi-discuss kanina. So let's try to remember or recall what we have learned. Let's go back. So what do you
If you
call this
want
game?
to be healthy.
Okay, so the game is talks
Sig
about to tag all the owners of the opposing team.
agawang base. Agawang base.
Okay, somebody said agawang base.
Agawang base. Aba.
Okay,
Aba.
that is correct. Agawang base is correct. Okay, that is agawang base. Next, how about this one?
Hulika. Sabon. Hulika. Hulika.
Tambong
Hulika. Hulika.
Hulika.
Hulika.
That is correct. Hulika.
Hulika. Hulika.
How about this one?
Kadang.
Hi.
kadang
Oh,
kadang
many answer. Okay, next, let's have. How about this one?
tumbang preso
Tumbang preso.
tumbang preso
Very good. Okay, how about this one? The last one.
hide and seek impossible version hide and seek
Again, what's this?
Habulan taguan.
hide and seek
Habulan taguan. Hmm.
Habulang taguan.
For the players who are high. Habulan taguan, or in English that is hide and seek. Okay. No question.
no
Just
no walay
No.
questions
No.
walay questions
No.
Pero finish the early.
Mhm. Okay, so what is the nutritional guidelines for the people, for Filipinos? Also known as the NGP or NGF, sorry.
NG.
Rice can heal. Rice.
Okay, so the nutritional guidelines for the Filipinos,
Rice.
rice is
Rice.
part of it. Okay,
Spicy.
to guide Filipinos towards the
Rice.
healthier eating habits. Okay.
I am
The
healthy.
Food and Nutrition Research Institute, or the FNRI, of the DOST, which is the Department of Science and Technology, develop a nutritional guidelines for the Filipino. And these guidelines is muna itong italk today. So everyone, this is first released in 1990, revised 10 years later, which is 2000, and then updated, 12 years after, which is 2012. So the nutritional,
90.
the nutritional guidelines for the Filipinos, aims to educate all Filipinos of all ages, meaning mabata man or madako, the proper nutrition and healthy living. Okay, so here are the objectives, or the nutritional goals or guidelines of the Filipino. First, we are aiming to promote a well-balanced diet.
I will balance
I'm familiar
diet.
with the go, grow, and
Go.
okay, very good. Go, grow, and grow food. Okay, so of course to promote a healthy, well-balanced diet. Nga dili lang kamo eat og only junk foods,
No.
only eat sugar. You
No.
don't only eat nga meat, but you also eat vegetables and fruits.
Fruits.
So you drink a lot of water.
Sometimes
No, guys.
I drink a lot of water too. I like water.
Very
Water
good.
is yummy.
I ate
So,
apple this morning.
nice. An apple a day.
I ate caraway.
Okay, very good. Okay,
Keeps
so
you
promote a healthy, well-balanced diet. Promote exclusive breastfeeding, and to give appropriate complementary foods, and to, of course, to increase the dietary energy of the average Filipino.
Nag-handstand ang bata sa mad.
Inana siya ka-strong. Okay, so let's talk about the other objectives of the NGF. We have to prevent nutritional deficiency diseases and lifestyle-related diseases. Also to encourage attainment of normal body weight Okay. And of course, to promote food safety.
I'm happy.
Okay. Okay, balik ha. Let's continue the discussion. So, the nutritional guidelines for Filipinos. So, here, we have this number one, first guideline, meaning to eat a variety of foods every day to get the nutrients needed by the body. Not only one kind of fruit, and then mo stop na kag eating. Like for example, you're gonna eat like only banana one day. Like one day you're gonna eat banana, and the other day you're gonna eat only apple. Okay, that's not a variety
Sure.
of foods. Again, everybody read number one. Go.
Eat a variety of foods every day to get the nutrients needed by the body.
Of foods every day to get the nutrients needed by the body.
Okay, very good. Okay, so next, let's have number two. Everybody read
Banana.
number two.
Breastfeed infants exclusively from birth up to 6 months, then give appropriate complementary foods.
Okay, so breastfeed infants exclusively from birth to pila ka months.
6 months.
Okay, so mingan ko og 5
I
months
think
ang
I went
baby.
over 6 months.
Okay, listen everyone. Okay, if ang baby kay 5 months pa, is it good nga tagaan na siya og complementary foods or ipa breastfeed usa?
No. 6 months short.
Okay, how about
After 1 a.m. give complimentary and with the baby.
7 months na ang baby?
Yes.
Okay na ba siya mag complementary foods or dili pa?
No.
Again ha? 7 months.
Oh, pwede na.
Yes. Too
Okay.
much na kaayo og breastfeed.
Yes.
Pang baby. Mingan siya
But
but
7 months naman.
the baby is 4 months, only 4 months. Breastfeed complementary foods.
Of course,
So that is for the guideline number 2. Let's go to guideline number 3. Everybody read.
Eat more vegetables and fruits to get the essential vitamins of eating fruits and vegetables regularly reduces the risk of some chronic diseases.
To get the external vitamins, eating fruits and vegetables regularly reduce the risk of
more vegetables and fruits to get the essential vitamins. Eating
Okay.
fruits and vegetables regularly reduces the risk of disease.
Okay, thank you, everyone. Okay, so for number 3, that is eat more vegetables and fruits to get the essential vitamins. Eating fruits and vegetables regularly reduces the risk of some chronic diseases. Okay, this has been known for how many years by mga experts, no? Ang kaning fruits and vegetables really does help in reducing the risk for some chronic diseases. Okay, what fruits or vegetables do you like? Arisa to something that you like.
Manga, sir, manga.
Manga, okay.
Banana. I like banana. Banana.
Please.
I want to taste it.
Banana.
Okay, aside from fruits, we also have vegetables. What kind of vegetables do you like?
Watermelon.
Potato.
I mean cucumber.
Cucumber.
Tomato is a fruit and a vegetable.
Cucumber.
I think chili is
Okay, that's too much answer. Okay, I hear you. Okay, thank you for your answers. No, so we have lots of fruits that we like. We also have the mga vegetables that we also like. And that is good because for the guideline number 3, it is essential to eat more vegetables and fruits to get the essential vitamins to make our body healthy. Okay, so that is number 3. How about number 4? Everybody read.
consume fish, lean meat, poultry, and dried beans or rice organic for good and better for body tissue.
Daily for growth and repair of body. Daily. Daily for growth and repair of body.
So, this is daily, ha?
Dali lagi na. Dali.
That is
Dali.
wrong.
Daily.
Daily.
That's, wait.
Daily dali. Is that
Okay,
daily dali?
consume fish,
Okay.
lean meat, poultry, and dried beans or nuts daily for growth and repair of body tissues.
Okay. Do you like protein? Protein
Yeah.
based nga karang. Okay, among all proteins unsa inyong pinakaganahan?
Protein shake?
Protein shake. How about kinsa ganahan diri og fish?
Me.
I like fish, but not
Okay.
much.
Oh, di ba? Very
I
nice.
don't
Okay,
like
nikaon das William og fish karon.
No.
Eggs.
Sure, is bacon protein?
Ah, yes, it is a meat. Meat man na siya, so protein.
I
Sure,
like
is chicken nuggets protein?
Is chicken is protein.
So chicken is protein.
So probably ang chicken nuggets is nasa na si protein.
chicken.
Is banana protein?
Chicken, okay, chicken. I like chicken also. Banana is rich in potassium.
Potassium?
Potassium.
Potassium. My favorite. Banana.
Mm. Okay, like beans,
Banana.
of it.
Fruit kay banana.
Okay.
Favorite fruit kay banana.
Same.
My favorite fruit is banana. At the vegetables, my favorite fruit is carrot. Kaya ang banana lookalike to carrot.
Okay. Ang favorite vegetable niya nga fruit daw. Okay, you have your favorite fruit and you have your favorite vegetable. That is good. Okay. So for number 4, protein. Okay, it talks about protein. Unsa nga protein sa inyong ganahan or what should you consume? Okay, you should consume fish, lean meat, poultry, egg, kaya mga chicken, apil na ng chicken no? Sa poultry. We also have dried beans or nuts for daily growth and repair sa inyong body tissue. Like for example, when we exercise, ang katnang tissue sa atong body is they would break apart. So in order to fix the mga tissue, ato nang ipang repair ang mga tissue nga na broken or na tear is we have to have proteins. Okay, number 5.
Consume milk products, and other calcium-rich food such as small fish and shellfish every day for healthy bones and teeth.
Every day.
I drink milk, but my teeth broken.
for healthy bones and teeth.
Okay, very good. Thank you. So for number 5, for the guideline number 5, we have to consume milk, milk products, and other calcium-rich food, such as fish and shellfish every day for healthy bones.
I drink milk. I drink milk. Milk.
Okay, go.
I drink
Yes, you can drink water, William. Okay, so that is for the number 5. Okay, it talks about your bones. On saan nyo pag-keep ang inyong bones healthy. Also your teeth. We consume milk, milk products, and other calcium-rich food. That's why ingon sa nga kadang you have to drink milk in order to keep your body strong. Do you drink milk?
Yes,
Yes.
I
Very
like
good.
milk.
Very nice. Okay, let's have for number 6. We have the
Consume safe food and water to prevent diarrhea and other food and waterborne diseases.
Food and waterborne diseases. Consume water. Food and water to prevent diarrhea and other food and waterborne diseases.
Okay, thank you.
Sure, is Taco Bell diarrhea.
Okay, so we have the guideline number 6, and it says that consume safe food and water to prevent diarrhea and other food and waterborne diseases. Okay, do you know what diarrhea is?
Yeah.
Chocolate.
Because
Chocolate poop.
Panangdagan ng tae, sir.
diarrhea.
Dako kayo tayo ma.
Kanang di jud ka kalibang sir.
Sure, I
Diarrhea?
think
I think that
hapit na ko
Isod kay maglibang sir.
How about lost bowel movement? Parang magsige po ka og kalibang. Are you
Sige kog
familiar with that?
utot, sir.
Ikaga.
Dili ko magsigig libang, pero sige kog utot, sir.
Ang kanang magsige kag utot, it's probably because kay naa ka sa cold nga environment.
Swallow. Mo this
Sige na, mag-dip ko
utot
cold
sa
environment,
mall.
but not that much, kay dili ko katulog.
Mm.
Kaya pala utot ko.
Hello. Okay, again ha, ang kanang man yung gitawag to nga diarrhea is probably is kada magsige ka og kalibang. Okay, kinsa may nakasuway diri nagsige og kalibang, diarrhea.
Ako. Murag.
Ako sir, Rocky.
This is caused man gyud sa unsa may cause ani niya. Ang cause ani
Wala
niya
yung
is
tubig.
okay, kuwang or tubig or probably
Sir, naigit sa akong brief, sir.
okay.
Sir, naigit ko sa akong brief.
Mm. Sa una,
And here in the house when I was gonna go to school.
okay. Na inyo imo ra gi-fix, imo gyud sa man nimo. Nag-change ka?
Yes, also my brief kay Tae.
Oh, well, yes. Okay, so nakanino consume food and water. Nakaning safe na water, safe na food. Kaya nga naman, katong gingon ganina ha nga, dila na ingon nga kuha ka tubig. It's because probably ang imong tubig nga giinom is not clean. It's not safe. So ang resulta is magka-diarrhea ka mo na magka-loss ka of water. So that's why it's important nga if you have a diarrhea, meaning magsige ka og poop, nga dayon may pagka tubig ang imong poop, you have to keep drinking water.
So, sir,
Mhm.
soft drinks kay diarrhea na.
Dili bang sad?
Kay dirty water mo.
Tae. Kay sige
Ah.
kung og tubig.
They're actually made in factories, so it is kept clean. Pero ang kana man yung mga makuha na to mga dirty nga mga food and water from, for example, atong i-expose to dirty nga environment, for example, dool siya trash can, and then let's just say for example, nikaon ka og food gikan sa trash can.
That's how homeless
dirty,
people
okay.
eat.
Yeah, that's very dirty. So that's probably you get a bad stomach. Muna ni ang diarrhea. Or water that is not doesn't come from a very safe nga lugar. So that's gonna give you like for example sa kanal, okay, di ba? So that's gonna give you a bad tummy ache. So muna nga dili mo drink og mga water that is dirty. So as much as possible atong i-boil ang water to keep it clean or drink mga bottled water, especially kada mga distilled. Okay, for number 6, consume safe food and water. How about for number 7? Read.
Use iodized
Use iodized
salt
to prevent iodine and iodine deficiency disorders.
Okay, use iodized salt, please.
to prevent iodine.
Iodine deficiency disorders. Okay, so possible man yun kung magkanihit ang imong iodine, magka-develop ka og your imong thyroid glands, mag-use na siya og iodine to produce thyroid hormones. Okay, and which aid in tissue repair, regulates inyong metabolism mo nang dali mo makahili sa inyong food, and of course, mag-promote po din sa inyong growth. Dali ra mo matubo. So, there's a difference between iodized salt and non-iodized salt. If you can, pwede niyo pilion, makapili mo, choose the iodized salt. How about number 8?
Limit intake.
Limit intake of sulfuric fatty and sugar-rich food to prevent cardiovascular
Food to prevent cardiovascular diseases.
Okay, so limit intake of salty, fried, fatty, sugar-rich food to prevent cardiovascular
Sir, mo read
diseases.
lang sa sir, di lang mo please answer.
Okay. Ganun mo mag-answer?
Yeah.
Okay, mag-answer ka later.
No.
Okay. Okay, again, listen na. Everyone.
Bro.
Okay, so again for the guideline number 8, we have to limit the intake of salty, fried, fatty, and sugar-rich food. Okay, who can give me an example of a salty, fried, fatty, and sugar-rich food? Okay, we have William, EJ. Who'd like to give me first? Okay, EJ, what's your example? EJ? Okay, yes, go. Ethan?
Chicken, French fries kay salty man.
Okay, French fries. Okay, French fries is an example. Okay, who else would like to answer?
Me.
Okay, G-Boy. Yes, G-Boy.
Bruh. Scorcher. Burger.
Burger.
I
Okay,
was
yes.
trying to say that.
Okay.
Sir,
We also have Nicole says burger. Okay, fries daw. Ingon ni Caleb.
KFC chicken. KFC chicken.
Okay, thank you, Caleb. Okay, how about Francine? Tammy?
Kaya ako?
Okay, down sa tuloy yung hands, ha? Okay, let's have G-Boy. Who can give me, how about you give me an example of kanang mga junk foods?
Parang contract. Parang hey, can I pee?
Yes.
Parang contract. Parang tuba. Parang chips.
Good, chips. Okay, who else? What else?
Ice cream. Piato. Piato.
Okay. Piatos. Piatos is an example of a junk food. What else?
Ringo.
Aritz drinks.
Coke.
Coke. Okay, very good. Finally, na na-insult Coke. Okay, ang Coke is, of course, sugar. Na siya daghan ka sugar.
Sprite.
It's,
Sprite.
Mountain Dew. Ini soft drinks.
Sprite. Sprite.
Candy.
Royal.
Okay, hindi. Too much sugar. Okay, how about for number 9?
Chocolate.
Attain normal body weight through proper diet and moderate physical activity to maintain good health and prevent obesity. Obesity.
Good health and
Look, I'm 50.
Prevent obesity.
Okay, attain normal body weight through proper diet and moderate physical activity. Okay, what kind of physical activity do you do? What physical activity do you do?
Running
jogging.
randomly.
Jogging.
Running randomly. Running randomly or sprinting randomly.
Walking. Very good.
Exercising.
Running out of the
Exercising,
dog.
that is correct.
Yeah, true. Running out of the dog.
I
Okay.
eating vegetables.
Running.
Race with the dog.
Jogging.
And get
Running
inside
with the
the dog.
dog.
Vegetables, sir. I mean push ups, sir. Push up.
Okay, push-ups. Push-ups is also good.
Push up.
Jumping, sir. Jumping. Sir,
Mm,
jumping.
Exercise.
Exercise. That is what just Ava said. Okay, correct. Okay. So those are all examples
Giga.
to attain a normal body weight. Okay, so meaning dili ka overweight and dili po ka underweight. Meaning your body is normal.
Sure, I'm underweight.
Okay, so question, how about playing outside? Is that part of physical activity?
Yes, playing
Yes.
outside.
Yes, okay. What kind of
But I'm
games?
not allowed outside because sibot-sibot mo.
Hmm. You can play games, basta na dili lang yun siya karang makasama sa uban or grabe nga makasabo kasi mo kaugalingon. Or you might hurt yourself or others. Okay.
Sure, I can throw stones as far as I can.
Wow.
I can throw stones.
Strong. Okay.
Dali, di man ko strong, pero magnita ra ko og flat round na rocks and then throw.
Oh, I see. That's a smart one. Okay, let's go to number 10. Okay, everybody read.
Be physically
Be
active.
physically active
Make healthy
and healthy
food
food
choices,
choices,
manage
manage stress,
stress,
avoid
avoid
alcoholic beverage, and do not smoke to prevent lifestyle-related non-communicable diseases.
Help prevent lifestyle-related non-communicable
healthy food
disease.
choices. Manage stress, avoid
Check ano sa itong finish mo kasi.
make healthy food choices, and do not smoke alcohol without beverage, and do not smoke to help prevent lifestyle-related non-communicable disease.
People like this. What? Hello, everyone.
Okay, sorry. Nawala akong kuan, microphone. Okay, so that's what I said kanina di ay. Before nawa akong mic. Nga, non-communicable diseases, we have the
What?
shortness of breath, heart
Ah,
disease. These are non-communicable, but you can attain, makuha din mo diabetes is because magsige ka og or lang cancer, magsige ka og
diabetes.
caused by
Pero halo ang mga cancer people, ang mga people na kanang nakaget og cancer mo get bald.
It's true.
for the treatment man na.
My mom is diabetes.
You ask teacher Fam ana later kay siya may teachers in sa science.
What?
Yeah.
sure. Sure.
By the way, you have any yes, Caleb?
Floor.
Okay, do you have any question about the topic?
Hello.
Question, do you have any question?
Can I say your full name? Why? Because
Okay, what a question about the topic. Okay, let's go back from number one.
No, I don't want any.
Okay, number one is of course eat a variety of food. Dili ka mo
Oh my
settle
God.
of only junk foods. You will not only settle for only banana. You also need protein, milk, water, clean water, and other nga variety of foods to get different energy or nutrients that is needed for our body to work. Also, at the same time, we have to there must be an
Breastfeed.
breastfeed infants
Infants.
exclusively from birth up to
Breast.
6 months. Then give appropriate complementary foods kay kanang malamoy na nila. After like mga 7 months old, pwede na sila makausap. They can chew their food. You can give them like mga mashed potato.
Mashed
What if over 1 year
Yeah.
na sure og nag-breastfeeding na sa baby?
So as long as it's over 6 months na, it's okay nga dili na siya mag-breastfeed. Number 3, we also have eat more vegetables and fruits. Number 4, okay, about sa protein. Consume protein. Number 5, milk and other calcium-rich food. We also have number 6, consume food and water to
Wow.
prevent diarrhea. Dapat clean. Number 7, we have iodine salt
water?
to prevent iodine deficiency disorder.
You did.
Number 8 is limit intake of salty, fatty, and sugar-rich food. Or in
I
short,
like it.
dili magsige og kaon og.
Oh, French fries.
Junk
Okay,
food.
very good. Okay, junk
Junk
food.
food eh.
Foods.
Eat healthy food.
Okay, for number 9, we attain normal body through unsa ka itong mga physical.
Exercises.
Okay, exercise,
Exercise.
activities. Very good. And number 10, we have okay, be physically active. Magsitag lihok-lihok, choose the good food, and of course, avoid na to ang mga bad nga mga bisyo like drinking alcohols or smoking.
Sure.
Yes. And now we're gonna answer some question. Okay. Don't worry, this is not recorded and we're gonna answer them together. But I need someone to read us the question and then answer it.
No.
First, I'm gonna go with Zam.
Answer tas ako.
Nasa ko to.
Sure, lagi recorded na kuan diri. Kita lagi kog na recorded na kuan.
Okay, what I mean sa kaning not recorded is dili siya recorded as part of your grade. Okay? So it's because you're not complete today. So this will not be recorded as part of your grade. However, this is the call is recorded. Only the call is recorded. Okay, let's have Ava na lang. Ava na grace of hand. Number 1, go. Read and answer.
Anna eats rice, chicken, and candy every day, but never eats vegetables or fruits.
Mhm.
What's the best advice for Anna? B.
What?
Eat different kinds of food every day.
Eat different kinds of food every day. That is? Wait. That is correct. Letter B. Very good. Thank you, Ava. How about next? Let's have
Sure, sa paper na sure or dili. Sure, sa paper na sure or dili.
Caleb. Dili ra. We're just
Sure
gonna
or
answer
dili.
it together.
Sa
We're just gonna answer it together now. Okay, no need to get
sa paper.
sa paper na sure or dili.
again ha. No, we're not gonna answer this on paper. We're just gonna answer them together.
Ay, kaya nga, kay di ko here. Ako duha na brothers, kay sige nang kuan.
Okay.
Nag-storya.
Okay, let's have next Lily. Number 2.
The baby is
Oh,
4
sorry. Go.
a baby. Sure, what happened?
Go.
Baby is
Okay, I'm sorry.
a baby is 4 months old. Sure, why?
Wait,
Why-
Saha, I think there's something wrong with the device.
Wait, baby is 4 years months old? Bro, that's my little brother.
Go.
A baby is 4 months old. What is the healthiest food for the baby according to the
Guidelines.
guidelines?
Okay, according to the guidelines, what is the healthiest food for the baby?
Um,
4 months old pa ha? 4 months old.
See, it says milk.
Okay, breast milk only.
Yeah. Huh?
Only breast milk. That
Uh,
is correct. That is letter C. Very good. How about number 3? Would like to answer number 3?
me. I'm gonna answer.
You're done, man. Okay, Ethan. I only click
or-
those ang kato raise ilang hand. So raise your hand if you want to answer.
Carlo does not
Si
like
Mickey.
milk. Carlo does not like milk or small fish. What problem may happen if he keeps avoiding these foods? D. His bones will and teeth may become weak.
Okay, let's see if the correct answer is letter D. That is correct. So Carlo does not like milk or small fishes or small fish. So ang iyang bones kay dili mo go strong. It may become weak. Number 4. Okay, let's have. Okay, Jaira.
Why should children eat vegetables and fruits every day? A.
Mhm.
They help keep the body healthy and strong.
That is correct. Very good, Jaira. Okay, let's have Caleb. Number 5.
Number 5, which action helps prevent stomach ills and diarrhea? Eating uncovered food, drinking dirty water, sharing food that fell on the ground, eating clean food, and drinking safe water. D.
Okay, that is letter D. Okay, Nate. Number 6, Nate.
Mark eats too much salty and when
Right?
food what may happen to his body.
Okay, again, Nate. Mark eats too much salty and fried food.
Yeah.
Okay, read it again.
Okay, sir. Mark eats too much salty and fried food. What happened to his body?
Okay. What will happen to his body?
Uh, he will be get sick. So B.
Okay, the answer of Nate is letter B. Mahimo daw siyang sick. And that is correct. Very good, Nate.
Yeah.
Yay. Okay, let's have G-Boy number 7.
Why is using iron iodide salt good for the body?
Again, that is why is using iodized salt good for the body? Okay, go.
A. It makes food sweeter. B. It helps the body grow and work well. C. It makes food crunchy. It changes the color of food.
Okay, what's the answer?
And okay, so um, oh, B.
B, it helps the body grow and work well. That is correct. Very good, G-Boy. How about number 8? Let's have kinsa pa man who'd like to answer. Raise ang hand, raise ang hand. Okay, wala yung nag-raise. I'm gonna call for ako na lang mo tawag.
Pero C.
Okay, let's have Albi. Albi, can you read and answer number 8? Albi?
Yes.
Yes. Can you read and answer number 8?
Lisa is healthy food but does not play or exercise. What should he do to stay healthy?
Okay. What's your answer? That is
It's almost time.
Albi, what's your answer, Albi?
See?
Stop eating vegetables. Okay, here his answer is stop eating vegetables, which is wrong. Okay, but that's okay, Albi. Okay, who knows the correct answer?
Sure, I know. Sure, I know.
Okay, Kinsai. Okay, let's have Ethan. Ethan, what's the correct answer, Ethan?
D.
That is, unsa may naa sa letter D.
Play and move your body every day.
Okay, that is correct. So,
My answer.
you should play and move your body every day. How about number 9? Second to the last number.
Sure, it's almost time, sure.
Okay.
11:39 a.m.
Layo pa na. Okay, let's have Renzo.
Which is the best way to have a healthy body weight? D. Eating healthy food and exercising.
Okay, eating healthy food and exercising. That is good, correct. Number 10, last number, we have, who'd like to answer this one?
Me.
Okay, dyan naman ka. Okay, let's have Nicole. Go, Nicole.
Which habit helps prevent sickness?
Okay. Which habit? What's your answer?
Easy.
Bruh.
Caleb, Caleb. That is letter? Again, can you read your answer?
Which habit helps prevent sickness?
Okay, what's your answer? I-read. No, i-read yun ang whole answer ni mo.
Eating junk food only.
Okay, prevent sickness man, meaning aron nga dili ka magmasakit. So that you won't be sick.
Okay.
Okay, what's your answer? That's your answer, eating junk food only?
Being active and choosing healthy food.
Okay, very good. So being active and choosing healthy food. Okay, thank you, Nicole. Okay, any question from anyone?
No.
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 You sure?
No.
No.
No. No. No. No. No. No. No. No. No.